miss me? Just kidding, because now I upload twice a week. You are just done with me. So hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. Welcome to the family. If you please just subscribe down below, that really helps and just makes me super duper excited, happy and proud. So today guys, it's true, I'm bringing you guys another Shein haul. This video is not sponsored by Shein. I wish. Pay with my own money. Let's go. So the first thing that I bought was just this top, and I love this top so much. Not only the pattern is amazing, but also just the fact that it has elastic here and here just really defines like your boob area. I'm sorry, it is what it is. It's really flattering, and then the back is just like this, a very simple thin stripes like I like. And I don't know, it's something that whenever you have a basic jeans, to throw something with patterns, I feel like just completes the whole look. So highly recommend. So the quality is amazing, and with this kind of top I just wear the bra that I'm wearing right now, which is just a strapless bra, and you're good to go. Really like it and been loving this so much. And the next, I really wanted some basic tops so I can match with more like skirts or crazy jeans or something like that, or just a basic full-on outfit. It's fine, just, you know, embrace your basicness. So this set is just these two tops. I know you only see the black version, which I really love. I think it just, I don't know, fits you perfectly. Very elegant as well, but it can also be very casual, and you can just, I don't know, actually wear it as you please, just because it's so versatile. And I think that's what I like about just these basic tops. It's just you can wear that like formal, but then informal whenever you want. So highly recommend. So this set came in both colors of white and black. I love the white version because whenever, you know, summer, I want to look tanner, and white clothes, something very light, just brings out my tan. That I know on camera it doesn't show, but it exists, okay? But I really love these basic tops. I think they just go with everything that you have in your closet, and they are a must to have. And honestly, very comfortable. They're cropped, so highly recommend. The quality is amazing also. So yay! I think you've seen some Instagram photos with it. I'm absolutely obsessed, you guys. It is the same just format as the blue version that I showed you, but the pattern is different, the colors are different as well. And so I really like it, just because it just really accentuates your figure, your silhouette, and I love it. You know, the boob area is amazing with this top, and also it just looks very put together, very like nice, happy, and I'm just excited. I don't know, I really love this top, you guys. This is amazing. I've never just had patterned stuff because I'm very basic, and I just love this one so much. It's amazing. By the way, I'm wearing this top, this green sage top, which I really love it. Like the back is like this, and I bought these on my first Shein haul, so if you want to check it out, please do. The link is here. And yeah, I bought a bunch of stuff from that haul, so feel free to check it out if you want to know more products and the review. I bought this t-shirt specifically for my mom jeans and my wide leg jeans, just because I really like the contrast of just having a tight top with some loose pants, and I feel like that's the way you should wear stuff. I don't know. And I really like it. It's just green. I love this color so much. And then the typography is in white, and I really like it. I feel it's super trendy, also super nice. I bought these, and this t-shirt, you guys, it's so different for me. I know it's kind of like my style, but it's different just because, first of all, the patterns. I'm kind of into patterns now, and I really like it just because it's very subtle and very elegant, and then you just have these kind of lace around on also the cleavage, and I think it's, I don't know, it's just another thing to have. I think it just adds a little bit of sparkle to this piece. Then on the back, you guys, it's opened like here, and then you have just these strings so you can just wrap it around, and I feel like that's just different from what we are usually used to see, and so I think it just complements the look very nicely, and you can just wear it with some basic jeans and you're good to go. So I really enjoyed this piece. Guys, okay, so let me talk about something. On this order, I may have been a little bit experimental. It looks like a bandana. It just has elastics all over so it doesn't fall, and it's really comfortable. I've worn them a couple of times and I love it. I think with some black jeans or like white jeans or even jeans, I don't know, in general, some basic jeans, I think you're good to go, as well as every top that I buy. This is one of my favorites. I think I say these about every single purchase that I do, but that's truly because I invest my money on stuff that I really like. So it's just these basic top, but it's not so basic, you see, because you have two colors and then it just looks like it's on the reverse side, but it isn't, and I really like it. I feel like this is a very trendy top just because not only it has these kind of a reverse look to it, but then the colors are very trendy, and I think you can match these with whatever jeans you have. So I'm very excited about this top. Very comfortable, fits amazing, so highly recommend. Then I decided to get this t-shirt. It is 100% what you see in the photos. It's amazing, the quality is amazing, the color is amazing, fits perfectly. It is oversized. I think I've ordered an M or an S, but I'll put it here, the confirmation, and it looks just perfect. And then my last top, it's something, so I'm gonna show you. I love these tops. First things first, it is something that I wouldn't like choose normally. I really like it. I think it's amazing how it's like newspaperish. It's very interesting, and then the cut of it, just because it goes like, just does like this, and I think that's very elegant. It's very comfortable also on the skin. You can adjust the straps so you can make them a little bit tighter or not. And then this is the back. It's a normal back for the top, but then I think the front and the pattern just speaks for themselves, and I really like it. I highly recommend, and it looks amazing. Let's move on to the bikinis. And the bikinis I'm just gonna show you really quick because I've done a bikini haul, and you can see here where I showed you all the bikinis that I bought from Shein, and I did a try-on haul so you can see how it fits me. But for this video, I'm just going to really quickly show you that I bought this triangle bikini with these bottoms. I've never had like a white bikini before, so I was very excited. I just feel very confident with these, so highly recommend, and the quality is amazing as well. Then I also got these white bikini, but this is a little bit different, just has like a thinner stripe over here, and then the cut is a little bit different as well. I really like it, but what I like the most is just this part. It's amazing. So this is the front, and then this is the back. Honestly, these bikinis are so comfortable, the quality is amazing, so I'm super duper happy. Sometimes online shopping can be a little tricky, but this time I nailed it. I also got these lavender kind of color, very different. I really like it. The quality of these bikinis are amazing, so I'm very excited. Okay, then I have these 3 pieces bikini. Yes, so it came with 2 different bottoms, which I'm about to show you. This is the one that is a little bit more protective. For example, if I'm with my period or stuff, I just feel more secure with these. I love the color of this bikini, it's dark. And then you have the top that is just a triangular, and these are the other bottoms that it comes with, so you can choose from these that are a little bit more protective, and then these ones that I think are more out there, more like, you know, let me tan. So I really like these ones. Fits perfectly on your body, also the top part, so highly recommend. You already know. If you want to know more about the bikinis that I bought and my new bikini collection for this year, just go down below in the description box. I have the link for the video, and you can watch and see for yourself my try-on haul, so you can see how it just fits me and if it's a good choice for you or not. Then moving on to accessories. I know I don't need more phone cases, but I want them. I got another phone case. I really like it. It's so perfect. As you can see, it's like green and then just has these flowers and also protects the cameras and down here, and I really love it. I can't complain. I really like it. The prices are amazing for this type of product. Highly recommend. The only thing is because it's themed. I like these cases where they just have these protective corners, but these don't, so it's kind of, for me, using those cases and then use this one is just weird feeling, but I highly recommend. I really love it. It's very like high quality phone case and it's beautiful. And then I got very excited about these, so I bought these two bags. These are the last items that I'm about to show you. So first of all, I'm gonna show you this one. Just has like the silver chain strap and then just have more black here, and I really love it. It's very simple. The texture, it hasn't got any texture whatsoever, and I feel just complements any outfit that you are already just using, for example, patterns or those t-shirts with letters or something. I don't know, a busy outfit really goes with a simple bag. The only thing is the quality of the zipper, it's not the best. So for example, here I have to just, you know, fix it, and I had the same problem with the other bag. I've seen these bags like not from Shein and they're so expensive, and honestly for me, I wasn't just able to spend a lot of that money on that kind of product, I feel like. So I really just enjoyed their prices on these bags, and if I just have to do a little bit of a fixer-upper over there, I will, and I will not be upset about it. And then this is the last one. I really love it. As you can see now, it just is the one that I'm currently using because it just has a bunch of stuff in here. It has these little pockets so you can just put your coins and cards and whatever you feel like it, and I really enjoy it. I bought gold chain one and then a silver so I can just, you know, match better with the outfits that I would be wearing, and I highly recommend. They're both black just because I feel like that's the color that just matches with all outfits. Just improves any kind of like more boring or sporty look, for example. Whenever you have like jewelry and then these kind of bags, I think you're good to go and everyone thinks you're like a superstar. So I really like it. So that was the video, guys. I don't know what took me so long to film it, honestly, but I don't know, another creative idea just came to my mind and I wanted to do them. So finally, there you go. I will try to find the links and link them down below, of course, just because I think you guys deserve it and they are amazing products. So I really just wanted to give my honest opinion here, and they're amazing. For the last month I've been wearing almost every single item and I really like it. So it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed this Shein try-on haul. Also go to my Instagram just because I do a little reels version of every single YouTube videos that I do here, and they seem to be more interactive, a little bit more, you know, short. Just go there if you'd please. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope I helped with some items reviewed or something, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye!